All right, hello, third graders. This is today's math message, and it says, look at the picture. How could you figure out how many dots there are all together without counting each dot? Okay, so here's a card, and I'm going to flip it, and you are going to see it for 2 seconds. So they want you to try to figure out how many dots without counting, because if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I only have 2 seconds, and I'm not going to have enough time to count every individual dot. So see what kind of patterns you notice and see if you can figure out how many dots there are total. Okay, here we go. Oops, I might have to move that up a little bit. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, here we go. All right, how many dots did you see? I'll show you one more time, so you have to look fast. Ready? Okay, how many did you see? If you said you saw 15 dots, you would be correct. If you look over here, I see that this group's kind of together, so I'm going to circle them. This looks like another group, and this looks like a third group. I have 3 groups here. Oh, this looks like it's all the same numbers because they're in the same pattern. Well, if you saw that this was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots, you could see that the other 2 groups were 5 dots, and now you have 3 groups of 5. How would you know this is 5 right away? How could I see that this was 5 dots? Well, maybe you're noticing this looks like the 5 on a dice that you roll, like maybe you played with dice or played a game with dice on it. It looks like the 5. Or you could say this outside looks like a square. And I know there's 4 corners on a square, so there'd be 4 dots, and one more in the middle is 5. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. We could count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Awesome. Well, even if you didn't see that, we are going to try to figure out a number sentence for this one. What would be a number sentence to describe this problem? Well, remember, a number sentence, we can talk about adding, right? So we said we'd add these 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Here would be one a number sentence. Okay. How would we make a multiplication sentence out of 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15? Well, I know we're counting by 5s, right? We just skip counting by 5s. But how many times did we count by 5? I know it's going to equal 15. I just know it because we're going to make it mean the same thing. But I'm counting by 5s, 5 plus 5 plus 5, so I know I'm going to write my 5 down there. But how many times did I count by 5s? 1, 2, 3. 3 times. So I write 3 times. This multiplication symbol also means times. They sometimes call it the time symbol. So I counted by 5 3 times. 5, 10, 15. And my answer is 15. These equal the exact same. 5 plus 5 plus 5 also equals 3 times 5. Amazing. Thanks for sticking along with me. Hop on over to the next video.